Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. From this video, I am starting a brand new series on React.js. And after completing this, I will start one more series, React Native. So here in React.js, in first video, I'm going to explain you in a very simple way how you can install or configure your system for React and how you can configure Visual Studio with latest or useful extensions that will work wonderful for React.js. And then we also learn first application to run using React. So we start. First of all, for running a React, we need Node.js. As you know that Node is the base of all server-side JavaScript language. So React is also based on JavaScript. That's why we need this Node. So I have downloaded this 64-bit for Windows edition. You can install if you have a Mac or if you have a Linux. You can install as per your requirement and follow the steps as given in a documentation for installation. So very simple. In Windows it's very simple. Just download this file MSI and double click on it. Just double click. Do not touch anything. Do not check or uncheck anything. Just double click, next and finish. Remember, it's a very powerful principle to install any application on Windows. Double click, next and finish. Do not use your brain, it will install automatically. So after installation, the Node.js, try to execute this command and check you have which version. You see I have a 16.15 version and you will surprise that how I am just using this. Actually it's a VS Code, Visual Code. So just download Visual Code also. How you can download? Everybody knows that how to download. Just write here Visual Code. It's a very famous. Download it from this as per your requirement, you Mac or Linux. Click here. Same principle. Double click, next and finish. Double click, finish, and you will have a shortcut on your desktop. Double click on it and you will have this kind of interface. Just go to file, open, click on open folder and select the folder in which you want to do. I want to make coding here, this here, so I have selected this for coding. Okay, and you will have your interface here, the directory where you are going to start your application. Now it's very simple if you have installed the node to create a first node application, but before doing this I want to explain you that you should install two extensions also. As you know that I have installed here some extensions, those are very powerful. So you have to use prettier. You see this is the best, you can say, code formatter. If you install this and you see automatically it will format your code on these following languages. Formatting means it will automatically sort your code and make a shortcut for your codes, and it will make a shape. And then must to install this simple React snippets. It's a very powerful you can say extension for VS Code. So by using this code you can easily remember all the command and extensions for React, and just you have to use it. And these are the command which I will tell you how can you use this: import React component, React DOM. So how you can do this we will see one by one. From these shortcut we can configure or use this. extension for, you can say, creating a React application. So install this, just you have to click here, install, uninstall. Install this also, simple React snippets and prettier code formatter. So install this also, and it will run on these languages. After that what you have to do, then you have to run a first node application. You have to create a first node application. For that we have a two ways. So first one is the latest one, second one is the older one. Sometime it works, sometimes it don't work, but if you want to use both as I am using, so you can watch my previous video also, in which I have explained how you can install both method if it is not working in your system. So first one is very easy, it will work. You can do npx and write create React app and give the name, I say first app, like this, and press enter. So automatically this command will create a folder first app. And remember that you should have an internet connection also, and automatically all the libraries those are required for running React application will be installed on your first app folder. Remember, so it's a very simple command, npx create React app and the directory, or you can say project name which you want to create. It will take little bit of time, and remember that it will install 250 MB of data. So depend on your internet speed, the time for creating this application. But once you create this application, you are ready to run your React application. Now you see your React is installed. Just cd to your folder first app, like this, and run here. If you dir, you will have so many command here. I will explain in new video what is this, and just you have to run npm start. Remember, npm start. Once you execute this command, it will start React for you, and you know that these are the folders and files those are created for you by the React. And you know, see this, you have the browser open by React, and here we will have the output. You know, this application is running React perfectly, you see. Now we have one more method to run React. So just we cancel this. One more way you can create a React application. For that you have to use create React app and folder name. So I say second app, like this, and enter. And you see the same process will be start by this create React app command. But maybe that this command is not work on your system because you have to install this. So how you can install? For that you have to watch my previous video in which I have explained you, if you are not able to run create React app command, how you can install and how you can check the version of this. I am using 5.0.1 version. I will show you how to check a version also. So I am using 5.0.1 version of this command. You can use this also. Both are good, and npx is the latest one which I explain you in the first step. That is the latest one, and it will also do same step, download the all the, you can say, library of React in your machine in second app folder. Then again we have to go to folder and run npm start. Now you see what you have to do. Just go to second app, like this. Here we can see an npm start, and you will start your application like we have start previously when we created this by using npx. Now you see in the same output we have from this command also. So these are the two ways to run or execute your React application first time on your system, on your operating system. And remember that the first method is the latest one and the second method is the oldest one. So both you can use, both have equal weightage, equal working, equal way of output. So I think you learned something from this video. If you really learn anything, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in next video to understand the working directory or all the files and folder of React, and with we will also modify some code to print hello world. Thank you for watching this video.